Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix escape the backrooms not launching. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in settings. Once in settings, you wanna go to display, scroll down till you find graphics. Now scroll down a bit and click on search this list and type escape the backrooms. And if you don't find the game, you can add it either from the desktop. So click on desktop here. And if it's not here, you can also add it from the Microsoft Store if you have it through Xbox. Also, if you can find it through the Steam, you want to right click on it, go to manage, and then click browse local files. And you want to copy this link or the path. And then you simply go here and then click add the desktop app and then paste this into the search. And then you want to add the escape the backrooms. And after you added it, you want to make sure it will be set like on the let the Windows decide. You want to set it to high performance. After you've done that, you want to right click on the game, go to properties, go to installed files, and then verify integrity of the game files. Also, and after you're done with that, if the game still doesn't work, you can move the installed folder. If you have it on, like, let's say local disk D, you want to move it to local disk C where your Windows is installed. And after you move it to the local disk C, your game should work properly. Now, if that doesn't help somehow, you can also update your graphics drivers. So open the NVIDIA or AMD app, go to drivers, and then download the latest and greatest driver. Also, while you're in here, you want to disable the NVIDIA overlay and you want to turn off the G-Sync. And after you've done all of that and the game still doesn't work somehow, you can either like reinstall the game and see if that helps the issue. But if that doesn't help, and the last resort, you can always like reinstall Windows and then should work properly finally. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix escape the backrooms on launching. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.